Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I have today my Sips by tea subscription box for January. Let's get into this. Okay, truth be told, I've already been in this box. I know, some of you know I got a new camera for Christmas, and this was the first video that I shot with my new camera, and I was so excited, and I went downstairs to edit it, and it's a complete blur fest. I am blurry, the teas are blurry, everything is blurry. I don't know what I've done wrong, but we're gonna do this again. And I'm happy because it means I'm making more tea. I'm gonna use a different tea today since I've tasted two of the other ones. I did two last time, but this is what the box looks like when you open it. I put it back together so you would see it fresh. I will not pretend to act surprised. When you open it, it has the January teas on top. And on the back it says, made for Catherine, which I always say makes me feel so special because you go in, you fill out a really nice survey. They ask you so many questions about what teas you like, what you don't like, what flavors, what fruits do you like. It's so thorough. And then they curate a box for you each month based on what you filled out in your survey. So I always feel like it is indeed made just for me. And it's Sips by because what they do is they gather teas from all of the great tea companies. And like this month, I have Sips by David's Tea and Sips by Traditional Medicinals, Sips by Tea Head, and Sips by the Republic of Tea. And I'm so thrilled because two of those are actually two of my favorites. I love always the David's Teas and the Republic of Tea. They're absolutely two of my favorites. And I put the box together back like it looked when I opened it. And I always say each month you receive this. So if you get loose teas, you have a way of dealing with it in case you don't have a tea diffuser or strainer. They give you these. And what this is it's a reusable muslin bag. And inside that reusable muslin bag, you get little paper bags. And I love these because you can just take one out, put your loose tea in it, steep your tea, and throw it away. And even if you have a diffuser, which I do, I still use these because then I don't have a diffuser to clean up, and frankly, it's just easier. Each month you receive from them 4 different types of tea with 4 servings each. They say 4 servings each because it's like this month I received the Republic of Tea Ginger Peach, and I received 4 tea bags, so they say 4 servings. I say 8 servings. As a rule, I can almost always get 2 servings of tea out of a tea bag, so it is awesome. And this is what we're going to try today, which is why I pulled it out first, because a couple of the other ones that we're going to get to, I've already tried, and I want to try something new. So we're going to open this right up, and then I will tell you about it. While I open this, I will tell you that the box is a $15 per month subscription. And look, it's just a little round tea bag. I have my water right here. I'm going to pop it in. Oh, it already smells of ginger and peach. It smells so good. I'm so excited. It is cold and snowy out there, so it is the perfect day for tea. Anyway, I digress. $15 per month subscription. I will put a link below. If you use my link and code the first month, you will get $5 off your first box, so it will only be a $10 box. And like I said, for that, you get 4 different kinds of teas with 4 servings each. I say 8. Let's see what I've got. So I just opened that Ginger Peach, the Republic of Tea, so I have 3 left, and let's see what the paperwork says about it. The Ginger Peach Black Tea Sips by the Republic of Tea is 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 212 degrees, and steep 3 to 5 minutes. I don't follow all those rules always. I don't temp my water, and I do my best with the timing, but as a rule, some teas do matter more because you can oversteep them and they get bitter, but a lot of them, a minute here or there isn't going to matter. This is high caffeine, which is good because it's very early in the day here. This great tasting black tea offers the sweet lushness of peach, seasoned with the tingle of spicy ginger, and it's exceptional over ice too. That is fantastic. And it's black tea leaves, a natural peach flavor, and ginger. And also, when you belong to Sips by, on your card, you will also get coupon codes. If I like these, I can go in and I can get buy 3, get 1 free of the Republic of Tea. So I love that. Next, I have a organic chamomile lavender. And this is what that looks like. And this sounds so good. I haven't tried it yet, but it says Chamomile with lavender, sips by traditional medicinals, also 8 ounces of water, also 212 degrees, but it says to steep this for 10 minutes. And it is caffeine free. It is a soothing, gentle, and aromatic trio of herbs that help calm frazzled nerves and ease tension. And it has organic chamomile flower, organic lemon balm leaf, and organic lavender flower in it. So I suspect it's the flowers that they need to release more, which is why this steeps a little longer. I can't smell it. Let's open it up and smell one. I'll probably drink it later this evening. Like I said, it's a cold and snowy day here, so I will be drinking some tea. Oh, it smells so good. It smells lavendery. Would you guys like to smell it? It smells so lavendery. This will be interesting. I will have to get back and let you guys know how I feel about this because it has a very lavender smell to it, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. But that's the beauty. I get to try something new. Okay, next we have my 2 loose teas. And these are the 2 that I tried in my other video. And they were awesome. But I wanted to try something new today, so I can tell you about these. This is Tea Head Herbal Tea Cherry Vanilla, and it is caffeine free. It is delicious. That said, it is cherry vanilla, but it leans on the cherry a lot more, and it's a tart cherry. So it's got a real luscious cherry taste to it. This says, cherry vanilla sips by Tea Head, 1.5 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water and steep 10 minutes. Let me show you guys what this looks like since I've already seen it. It's so pretty. See how it's nice, big chunks? That's the other beauty of these teas. They use such great quality products. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I love that it's the big chunks. I'm trying to put this back without making a mess. And not just tiny little gnarled up bits. And this is caffeine free, which is great for me, especially later in the day. Flowers of sun-ripened cherries and creamy vanilla mixed together for a blend that gives you 1 scoop of soothing when enjoyed hot and 1 scoop of refreshing when enjoyed cold. This was delicious hot, but I have to tell you, I bet cold it would be awesome. It's apple pieces and hibiscus blossom, rosehip peel, elderberries, beetroot pieces, rose petals, blackberry leaves, sour cherry pieces, vanilla pieces, and flavoring. So it is chock full of awesomeness, and it tasted so good. And last but not least, I have this Candy Cane Crush, and it's a minty holiday classic by David's Tea. I thought it was kind of interesting that I got this in January. I mean, it doesn't matter to me even a little bit because I love mint, but I thought it was an interesting choice for January. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a minute too. I made this and it was so good, but let me tell you why. It is 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, and I definitely have more than 4 teaspoons in here. I've already made it once, and I'd say there's still 4 or 5 teaspoons in there, easy. 200 degrees, 3 to 5 minutes, low caffeine. This rich, decadent peppermint black tea is like a minty wonderland. It was. Creamy white chocolate drops, candy cane pieces, cute snowflake sprinkles. Could this tea be any more festive? No, I don't think that it could. And it was delicious. And those white chocolate morsels melted, and it gave the tea just a little bit of that milky consistency, and it tasted so good. But let me show you what it looks like, because it's so cute, especially if I can get some of the, yeah. Look, it's got the little sprinkles that look like snowflakes in it like they talked about. And those are white, those are just white chocolate morsels. Yum, yum. And there's little pieces of candy cane in there. And the black tea that they've put peppermint in. It's just fantastic. It was so good. And it says that it has black tea, white chocolate, peppermint candy, snowflake candy, cane sugar, peppermint, natural peppermint and vanilla flavoring, and it contains soy and milk. So they are real thorough in telling you what is in it in case you have any dietary concerns. So that is, once again, my box for January from Sip Spy, and I love it. This ginger peach smells so good. I am so ready to try it. Of course, I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it. It is so hot. I keep bringing up this corksicle because I'm going to film a couple more videos. You'll see these lips. So I have my Causebox I might show my Causebox before this. Spoiler alert, I already showed you my Causebox. So I want this to last, but this keeps it so hot. I'm always so nervous when I go in for that first sip. Oh, that's so good. I know. I feel like I'm waxing poetic over tea, and it's just so good, guys. I love it. So if you have any interest in tea, this is a great way to try it. This is what it looks like once I put it back together. I got those 4 teas. I've now had 3 of them, and they are fantastic. I'm going to try that lavender. I'll try and put something about it on my Insta when I do. I'm going to try. That is one of my New Year's resolutions, guys. You got to nag me below. I really want to get better at Insta because this is so, I come up here, I sit in front of you guys, I open the boxes, I tell you my truthful and honest feelings, but it's not scripted, but it's me talking directly to you. And I feel like Insta would be, you know, a little more on the fly. Maybe I have makeup on, maybe I don't, maybe my hair's up, who knows? Just more of my life. So I don't know if that would just bore you guys to death, but it would be a great way to show you on the fly some of the products that I'm using that I'm actually getting in these boxes. Anyway, I digress. If you have any interest in this, I have a link below. If you use the link in the code, you get $5 off your first box. So it will only be $10. Thanks so much for coming by, guys, and watching me unbox this. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.